Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need Windows 11 on a GPT disk and admin rights. Open system information and note BIOS mode and secure boot state. Once done, reboot and press delete repeatedly during post to enter the Gigabyte BIOS. Make sure to plug in power and any USB recovery media. This prevents data loss if you must revert. I'm showing the fastest route to the firmware, so you can enable secure boot safely and avoid mismatched boot modes. Once inside the Gigabyte firmware, go straight to boot configuration and disable CSM or legacy boot. This forces UEFI-only booting, which Secure Boot requires. Then open the Peripherals or Security tab and locate Secure Boot. Set the mode to Windows UEFI or enable it, and choose the default keys if prompted. Make sure to save and exit. The board will reboot into UEFI mode. You perform these steps, so Windows and the firmware agree on boot mode and key management. After saving BIOS changes, boot Windows and open system information to verify secure boot state now reads on. If Windows fails to boot, don't panic. Reboot into BIOS and temporarily re-enable CSM to regain access, then troubleshoot. Common fixes include running MBR2GPT from an elevated command prompt. Use /validate first, then /convert, so the disk is GPT compatible before enforcing secure boot. That one troubleshooting tip prevents most failures. Ensure the partition style and firmware mode match before locking secure boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.